Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here at Aldi's and we're going to go over the clearance items for today. Okay, right here is the Winter City candles for $6.99. Regular price is $8.99. And they smell really good. I think I smelled them on last week. Yeah, we have the little wooden top. Okay, the Huntington Home Scents of the Season candle set is $19.99. It was $24.99. Okay, right here is another holiday macaron candle collection set or candle for $7.99. Regular $8.99. Yes. Right here is deluxe candles for $12.99. It was $14.99. I think these came on last week. We like that. Okay, the 25 foot cordless reel right here is $12.79. It was $16.99. Okay, so that's a pretty good break. Okay, right here, the nostalgic gnomes, they are on sale for $19.99. Regular price $25. Oh, these are on sale. The LED ceramic trees on sale for $9.99. Regular $12.99. The reversible mantle signs on sale for $4.99. Regular $5.99. That's one side there. There's one. Okay, so it would be these two. So looking good today, guys. Okay, the 3-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set on sale for $12.99. Regular $14.99. Love that deal. See, Holiday Village House, regular $17, on sale for $14.99. I hope you guys are enjoying my video. This is the third one for today. I did the new finds, the grocery section, and now I'm at the clearance. So today you should see at least 2 of the videos, if not 3. Okay, this set here, it is a cordless rotary tool kit for $25, regular $30 right there. The 3-piece apron, oven mitt, and pot holder set on sale for $7.99, regular $8.99. Set right there. Cute. Okay, the scissor set, pack of what's 4. On sale for $5.99, regular $7.99. I like that blue, gray, and pink. Pinky orange. Peach, yes, it's peach. Okay. Holiday mini waffle maker on sale for $8.99, regular $9.99. Ooh, this velvet basket here on sale for $9.99, regular $12.99. I see it in white and in gray. Thank you. Okay, right here is the holiday wood board on sale for $9.99, regular $12.99. And here are the different options. Aren't those cute? Oh, I just love that one right there. Okay. So right here is Crofton gift mug with tool or wine tumbler for $5.99, regular $7.99. Okay, right here. It was hiding. Yeah. Cute. Nice Christmas gift, guys. Now these were They just got these in last week and they're already on sale. Okay, it's the 2-pack Moscow mural mugs for $8.99, regular $9.99. Didn't they just get these? So they have it in this gold, that dark gray. I'm bad on my colors, guys. On the spot. 3 different colors. Okay. This ice bucket down here is $12.79, regular $16.99 with the top. The 5-speed hand mixer on sale for $11.29, regular $14.99. Oh, this cordless hand mixer. Wait. Let's see. A 6-quart slow cooker, regular $40, on sale for $19.99. But do I see that? No, I do not. So guys, if you're interested in this, you want to rush to your store and see if you can find it. It's half price. Okay. This handheld pet vacuum, regular $37.99. It is on sale for $24.99. That one and that one. Okay, the candle wax warmer set on sale for $12.99, regular $14.99. They just got these last week. So I remember talking about the style, you know, the different styles of them. Okay. Coffee grinder with cup warmer on sale for $9.99, regular $14.99. Hammered wine or champagne glasses on sale for $7.49, regular $9.99. Right here. You can run, but you can't hide. Right there. That's it. Okay, napkin rings or chargers on sale for $4.49, regular $6.69. That would be these rings here. I don't see the charger though. Okay, this baking dish with cork trivet is $9.99. Sale price, regular price $14.99. Right here. I like that deal. Okay, let's see. Oh guys, you won't believe this. These lanterns, I think we went over these a few weeks ago, but they're here on sale. You either get 2 or 1 for $8.99 each. $8.99 for the 2-pack, and $8.99 for the extra large one. How about that? Oh my gosh. Okay, these wreaths, remember these? They're on sale for $4.99, I think, $4.79, something like that, but major. Okay, right here are the felt hampers on sale for $4.79, regular $8.99. And here is the price. Yes, we're killing it today, guys. 3-pack crew socks, $3.79, regular $4.99. I would take it. Now guys, you're not gonna believe this, but it is so. Right here, ladies' booties. You get it in black. You can get this brown one with the buckles. It comes in this gray. And guess how much it is? I hope you're sitting down. $4.29. $4.29. Can you all believe that? Oh my goodness, what a steal. Now this is the score of the scores here today. I can't believe it. Ah, so many options. And these right here, these ladies' rain boots, $3.79. Oh my word. Ah, look at that color. Isn't it pretty? Oh my goodness. They have this one, and this one. $3.79, guys. Oh my goodness. We are killing it. Another good one. Oh, I can't control myself. Ladies, two-piece pajama set. $3.79. Regular $15, guys. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness. Look, is that not gorgeous? $3.79. They have that one, this one. Oh my goodness. This is major, guys. Oh, and this one. Size small through extra large. $3.79. Regular $15. You better run. Guys, you better run. I'm telling you, if you subscribe to my channel, when these deals hit, you will be one of the first to know, because I am up in here on it. And I also go to different ones to find the deals. So if you like that, subscribe to my channel. Okay, these 4 fur slides, they're on clearance for $5.99, regular $7.99. Yes. These ladies' winter wedge boots, regular $25. They're on sale for $12.49. Love these. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. So, twin or full reversible quilt, regular $18.79, on sale for $6.29. Right here. Oh my goodness. $6.29. Now how cute is this? And it's a 3-piece. Oh, oh my God. Ooh, this is just so overwhelming. They also have the full cotton sheets, regular $12, on sale for $5.99. 4-piece set. Okay, right here we have kitchen trio or vacuum duo, regular $22.99, on sale for $19.99. Oh my word. This is just so nice. Oh, Christmas gift, guys. Christmas gifts. Yes. Now they tried to slip this one in on us, guys. These Barbie dolls here, regular $7.99. Guess how much they're on sale for? $7.79. 26. Oh my goodness. One time they had something on sale. It was like a penny difference. I was like, come on. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh, these ring lights with remote, regular $15, on sale for $12.99. Great deal. Now this just came in on last week here now. This kickboxing trainer, regular price $35, on sale for $30. It's $5 discount. Okay. This is a new item. It just came last week. Children's weighted blanket, regular $30, on sale for $22.99. Oh yeah, we'll take it. The fashion fidgets, regular $8.49, on sale for $7.99. Yep. Right above your head, to the right.
I love this. My daughter would love it. I can't believe another one. She couldn't believe it.
Okay, right here, the children's plush jackets for $7.49. Yes. Let's see. 7-piece wooden puzzle, regular $7.99, on sale for $6.99. So that's a buck difference. We'll take it. Okay, so let me see if my knees are gonna work. Right here, the children's ankle boots, regular 15 bucks. They're on sale for $11.29. The children cozy boots, regular $12.99, on sale for $11.99. And the children's warm lined boots, regular $24.99, on sale for $19.99. Great, great deal. Okay. And I think that's it, but I am so impressed and I am happy with what we found today. Oh my goodness. This was a really good one, guys. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. Okay, guys. Now, guys, if you haven't done all of your Christmas shopping yet, I did a video in Walmart on gift sets and as seen on TV items. So if you want to look at that video to see, just give you some ideas on what you can get for, you know, friends and families, co-workers, teachers, that's a good video. I just put it up yesterday. But yeah, that's it for today here at Aldi's on the clearance section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one.